How to insert page numbers in Microsoft Word. This tutorial shows you how to add them and control where they appear. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. From there, click the Insert tab in the ribbon. After that, click Page Number in the header and footer group. At this point, hover over the different placement options, like top of page, bottom of page, or page margins. Following this, choose whichever position you'd like. Then select a specific alignment style from the options shown, like left, center, or right. Once selected, Word automatically inserts sequential page numbers throughout your entire document. At this stage, if you want to start numbering from a specific page instead of the very first one, click Page Number again. Following this, click Format Page Numbers. From here, select Start At, then enter the number you want it to begin from. At this stage, click OK to apply it. That's how you insert page numbers in Microsoft Word. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.